Hello students, today we will discuss the activity on functions. Objective: you will demonstrate the function which is 1 but not onto. So material required for this is colored sheet, pencil, scale and a Fevicol. Prerequisite knowledge: you know the definition of Cartesian product of two sets and you also are aware of the definition of function. Method of construction: paste two colored strips of paper vertically parallel as shown and mark 2 points on first and 3 points on second. Demonstration: take the set X as A and B and take set Y as 1, 2, 3. Join element of X to the element of Y as shown in the figure. Join A with 2 and B with 3. Now observations. Image of element A of X in Y is 2. Image of element B of X in Y is 3. So every element of X is related with Y, so it represents a function. Every element in X has a unique image in Y. So the function is 1, 1. The pre-image of element 1 of Y in X exists or does not exist? Yes, does not exist, because element 1 in Y does not have a pre-image in X. So this function is not onto. So thus the figure represent a function which is 1, 1 but not onto. Application: this activity can be used to demonstrate the concept of 1, 1 but not onto function. Thank you so much.